Hello, this is Abhishek Kumar from FlickDude, and today in this video I will talk about something interesting. The thing is, if you purchase any Lenovo laptop, it comes with a pre-installed software known as Lenovo Vantage software, and that software is pretty good. You can customize your system performance according to the options given in the software. But I will talk about the cons of that software, and you can say the other side of the software. The thing is, if you format your PC and reinstall any other window, and if you don't have that Lenovo Vantage software, your system will run on the 60% performance, and no matter you can use performance mode or balance mode or quiet mode that is given in the window. To use the full power of the system, you need the software. That is the catch with that software, and these things force you to use that software. So let me show you the software. This is a software that comes pre-installed with the system, but I will not talk about the features of it. I will talk about the drawbacks of it. If you go to the preferences, you can see the options of the WAN usage statistics is enabled by default, so you have to disable it, otherwise it will consume all of your bandwidth. The other cons of this software is, like, when you use this software, number of the services that is running, like 6 to 8 of them on the above, like this one, Lenovo Vantage services, and few of them is at here. To run a single software, it's going to consume a lot of your system power and the system resources. This is a one drawback. The second drawback is, like, whenever you connect your system to the internet, all of the bandwidth is going to be consumed by this software. I hate this software, but in this video I will show you an alternate software, so that is way much lighter than this software, and software does not comes with any bloatware. It requires a minimum number of system resources to run, and you will get an additional options that does not comes with the Lenovo Vantage software. And one another thing I want to share in this video is that if you messed up with the Windows update, or if the Windows Store is not working in your window, then you will not able to use this software, because the only option you to use this software is that you have to download it from the Windows Store. And that is another thing I hate about this software, that you have to use that bloatware and you have to get it on the Microsoft Store only. So let's jump to the alternate software which I am telling you about. The software is Lenovo Legion Toolkit. To run this software, you don't necessarily need a Legion series laptop. As you can see, I am using this software on the IdeaPad gaming series, and the thing is, it's not going to run on all the IdeaPad gaming series. Like, I run this software on the IdeaPad 510 model laptop, and it says system is not supported and something like that. So if the Lenovo Vantage is running on your laptop, then it's for sure that this software will also run on your system. So I will provide the link in the description, so you can get this software. You will get all the functionalities. You will also get some additional features. So these are the options that you will get in the Lenovo Legion Toolkit. Under home section, you will get a power mode, and you can choose either quiet, balance, or performance mode. As you know, on the performance mode, you will get 100% use of the resources, so you will get the best performance. And even you can, by pressing function plus Q button. Under battery mode, you will get the three options. The first one is conservation mode. Under conservation mode, your charging locks up at the 60% and is going to increase the battery life in the near future. And the normal mode, basically your laptop going to charge fully 100% and going to discharge as normal. In the rapid charging, basically charge the laptop more quickly than the normal mode. Take 40 minutes in my case to fully charge, but you have to be careful about the battery's temperature. It's going to really increasing too high when you use the rapid mode, and it's basically going to increase the life cycle of the battery. So I will not recommend using fast charging. You can use conservation mode if you are doing any kind of productive work. Even you are playing games, I will prefer you should use conservation mode. and you will get these options too, always on USB. I love this feature because this feature is not available in the Lenovo Vantage software. A special about the feature is like when you put your system on the sleep mode, or you can say in a hibernate mode, or shut down your system, even then you can use the USB port to charge your phone and you use as a power bank. The next is trackpad lock. You can disable the trackpad, you get the function lock. And the next is the window keypad lock. I never use this feature. And the next option is discrete GPU. Under this option you have the option to use either the dedicated graphic card that comes with the laptop or the inbuilt graphic card. Next option is the flip to start, like when you open the lid of your laptop, your laptop going to boot up automatically. You don't have to press the power button. The next option is the battery mode. You will get basic details of the battery, like battery temperature, how much power is running at this time, and battery capacity and rest of the feature. Like you can even see the battery cycles count, like how many times the laptop is charged and discharged. On the action center you will get the advanced options, like when you plugged your system to the power, which mode it's going to use, like performance mode, quiet mode or balance mode. And when you unplug the charger, so which mode is going to be used. And the next option is in the quick section. You will get deactivate GPU. And the deactivate GPU you will get the options of the kill apps and restart GPU. I never used this feature, but it's quite good. Under package you will get basic details of the system and the machine types. And under settings you will get the language, and you can even change the themes. And under this section you will get all the things that you can manage by yourself. And in the advanced sections you can have the power plan settings. And the last you will get the option of the CPU boost mode. This option is not available in the Lenovo Vantage software. If I run this software as compared to the Lenovo Vantage software, you can see you will get only one process running at this time when you are using this software. Instead of you will get a tons of the services run by the Lenovo Vantage software that I hate. It comes with minimum requirements to run on the system. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Have a nice day.